Alaikum. Good evening, dear viewers and listeners. How are you today? Just fine. Today we are going to talk about advice with the use of should. Right? So, dear viewers, نن به موږ د should په باره کې وایو او د should چې کوم د advice د لپاره یوز کیږي نو د ټولو نه اول دا راته وایي چې should د ګرامر په نقطه نظر سره څه دی ماډل اگزیلری دی اگزیلری په دوه قسم وي یو پرایمري اگزیلری وي یو ماډل اگزیلری وي نو شوټ چې دی دا ماډل اگزیلری دی د ګرامر په نقطه نظر سره او موږ دا شوټ د څه لپاره یوز کوو اډوایس یا د نصیحت لپاره چې چاته کله موږ سره نصیحت کوو نو دا د نصیحت لپاره یوز کیږي نور هم د دې یوزز شته د ماډل اگزیلری مطلب دی چې دا په مختلفو موقعو کې استعمال دی شي خو غټ یوز د شوټ چې دی نو هغه سره اډوایس دی او د شوټ تلفظ چې کله کوو نو د ال به پکې نه وایو شولډ به نه وایو رائٹ شولډ از رانگ شوډ اسی طرح could نہیں ہے یہ بھی could could so L is silent could right we should pronounce it in this way and چونکه model auxiliary دی نو د model auxiliary نه به همیشه مونږ د verb کم فارم لګو وروسته first form of verb همیشه به د verb first form لګو د model auxiliary نه وروسته نو د should نه بعد به هم د verb first form لګو همیشه د پاره چې چاته موږ سم نصیحت کوو نو فار ایگزامپل کومګو وایو چې موږ له په وخت مونږ پکار دی نو څنګه به وایو وی شوډ افر د فریر ان ټایم موږ له قرآن مجید تلاوت پکار دی وی شوډ ریسایټ د هولی قرآن تاسو له قرآن مجید تلاوت پکار دی یو شوډ ریسایټ د هولی قرآن هغوی له قرآن مجید تلاوت پکار دی they should recite the holy Quran دا خو که هر قسم سبجیکٹ وي که سنگولر وي او که پلورل وي خو د ورب پاست فارم بلګي او should بلګي right she should recite the holy Quran it should recite the holy Quran right so چې کوم هر قسم سبجیکٹ وایو نو should به وایو د ورب پاست فارم به وایو او که یو کار نه کول وي نو بیا به څه وایو shouldn't should not a contraction form سره shouldn't چونکه مونږ خو لینګویج کوو نو په لینګویج کې به shouldn't وایو should not بنا وایو you shouldn't smoke cigarette آپ کو سگریٹ نہیں پینے چاہیے they shouldn't tell a lie انہیں جھوٹ نہیں بولنا چاہیے خالد shouldn't go there خالد کو وہاں جانا نہیں چاہیے جو بھی ہو چې تاسو چاته سم نصیحت کوئ نو هغه د should یا shouldn't په ذریعه باندې کوو اوس دلته سپوز یو سچویشن دی که زه تاسو ته ووایم چې I want to speak English fluently زه غواړم چې انګلیش په رواني سره ووایم نو ما له څه پکار دی ما د تاسو څه نصیحت کوئ با یا you should practice a lot you should take admission in the language class you should study the English book you should watch the English programs on the mobile phone and on television you should study the English movies right you should spend time with such friends who have command upon English and who should practice with you so many you can say او بیا په shouldn't کې هم ویلی شي چې you shouldn't speak Pashto with your class fellows and those who knows English right you shouldn't study a lot of other book than English right you shouldn't waste your time you shouldn't watch Pashto programs on mobile phone and TV if you want to speak English fluently right yeah دغه شان که زه اوس ووایم چې بلال is very heavy or fat بلال ډېر موټی دی heavy دی یا fat دی no good he should eat vegetable he should eat vegetable and light food he should take a lot of exercise ورزش ولا پکار دی د دې سره وزن کمیږي right other excuse me he should play some game he should play cricket او سسول نه دی کول پکار he shouldn't eat oily food आइली मीन तेल और गुड़ खुराक वाला न दे पकार. He shouldn't eat spicy food. मिसालेदार खुराक वाला न दे पकार. He shouldn't eat fatty food. Right? Yeah. और he should go on a diet. लग परहेज वाला पकार दे. चिप परहेज शुरू की. Right? He should go to a doctor. Doctor ला मोलत लल पकार दे. Maybe some health problem is there. He should act upon his doctor advice. The doctor पर advice वाले नसीहतम पकार दे. तो मतलब दा should और shouldn't तासु वेले शई. या उद्रेम सिचुएशन दे सपोज फातिमा हैज़ अ फीवर. फातिमा का बुखार है, बीमार है और बुखार में मुब्तला है. So she should take some medicine. She should go to a doctor. She should take rest. नहीं आराम करनी चाहिए. या और अगर shouldn't यूज करते हैं तो क्या? Good. She shouldn't walk a lot. There are the garzina, right? Similarly, other example of that in the fever, she shouldn't eat oily, spicy and fatty thing. These things are also not good in the fever, right? She shouldn't miss her medicine. She shouldn't forget her medicine. उसे अपने दवाई नहीं भूलनी चाहिए. She should take the medicine on time. Right? She should act upon the doctor advice. Right? Okay. Another situation is suppose that Khalid has an exam. Khalid का exam है. Good. He should study a lot. Other? Good. He should study a lot. Other? He should work on a proper timetable. यो खास टाइम टेबल अगला कार पकार दे. Right? Other example पर in the positive form, if someone has exam, he shouldn't call his friend. He shouldn't call his friend. He shouldn't waste his time. He shouldn't watch TV. He shouldn't use Facebook. Yeah. He shouldn't play cricket. So यही काम उन्हें नहीं करनी चाहिए और ये करनी चाहिए. तो in this way you will get more and more exercise in the form of should and shouldn't. And we use should and shouldn't particularly for what? For advice. And when a person is sick, so then we can give advice. Suppose if I say I have headache, so what will you say? You should take medicine. You should take rest. You should take a cup of tea. You should go to a doctor, right? Or you shouldn't, if the headache है, so you shouldn't walk, you shouldn't study during headache, or such and such thing. जो करनी चाहिए और जो नहीं करनी चाहिए, you will tell all of them. करनी चाहिए so should, नहीं करनी चाहिए shouldn't, and after both of them we should use verb past form, right? So I hope you will have learned this structure. So far today proverb is concerned, it is slow and steady win the race. Slow mean आहिस्ता आहिस्ता and steady लेकिन मुस्तकिल मिजाजी से, जो थोड़ा थोड़ा काम भी करते हैं लेकिन छोड़ते नहीं, मुस्तकिल मिजाजी से करते हैं. win the race, तो ऐसा बंदा रेस जीतता है. तो सच पके सो मीठा. अगर आहिस्ता लेटम यो में वो पखशी ख्वागा बिया मीठा वी ځکه چې خوږه وي هغه ډیره چې کوم په صحیح طریقې سره په قلاره پخشي. No, repeat with me brother and sisters. Slow and steady win the race. Slow and steady win the race. Yeah, thank you so much dear viewers. Try to share the videos with all your friends, relatives and family members and watch them regularly. Khuda Hafiz.